Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have this kids color drawing pad, and they're just not just for kids. I mean, it's great fun for the whole family. And one of the things that I actually use it for is I am a mechanic, and I have found these absolutely super useful when I'm working on cars and I have to draw belt systems, like how the serpentine belt routes. So don't discount it just for kids. So it comes with a little lanyard, has a little screwdriver to get into the battery compartment. And these things work fantastic. So it's got a on-off switch here at the bottom. And let's open the battery compartment up, because it is going to have a protectant in there that keeps it from turning on during shipping. Then we can put the lanyard on to the tablet. So let's open that up real quick. I'll make sure I'm centered on my above camera. So that is your quick little battery compartment here. So we'll open that up. So it has the power cell that's in it. See, let me see if it's got a protective layer. Alright, so I don't see a protective layer on it. So it might be alive. Let's see what we got going on. So, and if we wanted to erase that. Oh, okay, there we go. So I had the, so that's your battery compartment. Let's put that little screw back in there. That thing couldn't be tinier. Okay, so that's in there. So basically what you're doing is you're like drawing on here, and then you hit this little button and it wipes that clean. So that's pretty cool. And that is your switch to basically lock or unlock. So when it's unlocked, you can write on it. And this is your little sketch pen. Comes off there. And basically, like, as a mechanic, I mean, I can use this because what I do is I draw like the belt system of a vehicle, and then if I have a serpentine belt that rides through your pulley system, kind of gives you a configuration like that, but you know what I mean. So it clears like that, or if I want to leave a message, out to lunch, I can make a quick note on there. Maybe that's a better view. Out to lunch. My handwriting's terrible, I know. I apologize. But yeah, I mean, it's not only for kids, but it's for adults too. And then you have your lanyard that you can put through, and I recommend it because it's like you don't want to lose this the pen. You just kind of like squeeze it to a needle point, and then you got to kind of twist it through. You loop it through. My hands are tired today, so you loop it through on that side. Basically, you tie that to a pen, and then you have your lanyard corner up here, and same thing. Kind of want to make a little bit of a point, and then you kind of like twist it in. Maybe if I made a little bit of a better point. So you make a little bit of a better point, and you kind of like twist it. Right, then we put your lanyard through. And then you got your pen nice and secure, so you can make all your nice little scribble art, pictures, notes to your kids and your wife, significant other. So works out great. But anyway, so this pen sits right on top like that. Pull it through in and out. I use it kind of like as a clip. I'll push it down on top. That snaps into place as well. But just make sure that you are leaving this lock into a position so the battery doesn't die on you. But other than that, Brian from Garageville Hall with your cool little drawing pad. Again, just not for kids. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.